Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Your presence means the world to me. Hello and a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into Chris Hackett, artist. Chris Hackett, born April 15, 1972, is an artist, television presenter, writer, fabricator and instructor. He is a co-founder of the Madagascar Institute, an art combine located in Brooklyn, NY, contributing editor for Popular Science magazine, and was the host of the Science Channel's television show Stuck with Hackett. A 2012 article in the New York Times entitled Building a Better Apocalypse described him as something like a fabricator-in-chief for the Kings County D.I.Y. art set. In 2017, Hackett was featured as one of 10 contestants on the TV show MythBusters, the search which aired in early 2017 on the Science Channel. Our focus now turns to the Madagascar Institute, an important aspect of our discussion. In 1998, Chris Hackett founded the Madagascar Institute with colleagues Ryan O'Connor and Eric Singer. The Madagascar Institute is an affiliation of artists headquartered near the Gowanus Canal in Brooklyn, New York. As we enter this new phase, let's uncover the impact of junkyard wars on our broader topic. Between 2002 and 2004, Hackett appeared on Junkyard Wars. The show, which was the American version of the UK show Scrapheap Challenge, gave teams 12 hours to gather materials from a junkyard, then use the materials to modify their vehicles for a race. Hackett acted as the red team captain. With the foundation laid, let's embark on a journey into bike. In 2005, Hackett appeared in the documentary BIKE. The film was directed by Anthony Howard and Jacob Septimus. They spent over 2 years following an underground bike club known as the Black Label Bicycle Club to their meetings, parties, gatherings of the tribes in Amsterdam and Minneapolis, and the protests of the 2004 Republican National Convention, and filmed it all. With that being said, let's now move on to Breaking Point. In early 2010, he appeared on the Discovery Channel Canada show Breaking Point alongside Jonathan Tippett. The show premiered Monday, January 18, 2010, and was 6 episodes longitude. In each episode, the guys would investigate the limits of large-scale everyday objects such as armored limos, lobster boats, fuel tankers, buses, and more. Hackett and Tippett would conduct extreme tests on one of these objects until they found its breaking point. Then they would come up with ways to make the object safer and stronger. Brace yourself for an enlightening exploration of Stuck with Hackett as we dive into its profound implications. Hackett was the star and host of the Science Channel's Stuck with Hackett. The show premiered on August 18, 2011 as a 9-part series, and could be watched on Thursdays at 10:30 p.m. Each episode took place in a different abandoned location: rail yard, log cabin, grocery store dumpster, abandoned hospital, and so on. Hackett would turn the everyday trash, or obtainium, as he calls it, that was left at the location into unexpected, functioning machines or mechanisms. As we enter this new phase, let's analyze MythBusters, the search from different angles, and evaluate its significance. In January 2017, Hackett returned to the Science Channel to star in MythBusters, the search. Hackett was one of 10 competitors who vied for a spot to be one of the next MythBusters. In episode 2, Hackett won the MVP award for his performance on the Green Team's Paint a Room with an Explosion device, and he was eliminated after episode 6. As we move forward, let's uncover the untold stories and fascinating intricacies of popular science. Hackett writes a column for Popular Science in which he tackles problems with DIY engineering. Brace yourself for an in-depth analysis as we navigate through the Big Book of Maker Skills and its far-reaching implications. Hackett's first book, The Big Book of Maker Skills, 334 Tools and Techniques for Building Great Tech Projects, was published by Weldon Owen in November 2014. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.